After a damp start to the year, we thought we may as well embrace the wet weather and go chase some waterfalls along the Milford Road in Fiordland National Park. We headed in late in the day and set up camp at a dock campsite called Henry Creek near Te Anau Downs. It rained most of the night and we fell asleep listening to big drops on the roof tent. We were within a stone's throw of beautiful Lake Te Anau, and even though it was misty and cloudy, the wee breaks in the weather showed a beautiful view from our campsite. The next morning, after a cooked breakfast, we packed up our roof tent and awning and set off up the road, stopping at many pullovers and sites along the way. We drove up the lower Milford Road to see what's left of Guns Camp after the floods last year, and then we did the 20-minute walk to the viewing gantry over the Milford River. This was well worth it and we absolutely loved this wee walk. We'd love to come back and do the full 3-hour walk into Lake Marion one day as well. I hadn't been into Milford Sound since I was a child, and we had no agenda or time frame for this trip, so it was a slow drive in, just appreciating the nature surrounding us. The waterfalls were breathtaking amongst the mist of the mountains, and the rain only added to the moodiness, making it feel like we were inside a movie or a book of fairy tales. It took us almost 3 hours with all of our stopping to get to the Homer Tunnel, the 1.2 kilometre tunnel carved through the granite of the Darren mountain range. We had a quick lunch out of the back of the truck, then explored the foreshore at Milford Sound. Enjoying the waterfalls again on the drive out, it was time to head home for hot showers and to dry out all of our